What's up, online shoppers? We put a lot of money into our phones, and it is a good idea to do what you can to protect them. That for me means putting on a great case on this side and a really nice tempered glass screen protector on the face of the phone. I settled on these glass screen protectors for value and function because, let's be honest, if you do drop it and crack your screen, I'd much rather know that it's the tempered glass screen protector on the front and not the phone screen that I have to worry about replacing. Now, I love how easy it is to put these covers on. It comes in a really nice little case, and they do give you everything you need to get started. These are your screen protector accessories, and inside here you get your cleaning cloths and your alcohol swabs so that you can clean your phone's surface really nice and easy, dry it off with a lint-free cloth, and then inside here are the screen protectors, 4 of them. Now I have, judge me if you will, an 8+, and I love that it has the appropriate cutout here for the camera and the speaker, the cutout for the home button, and that this fits very well onto the screen of my phone. Now, the other thing I love is this little guide sticker here. When you peel this off, it exposes a sticky layer right here, and it is super easy to position it on your phone and line it up properly so that you can get a good solid contact. Installing these screen protectors was relatively easy, and I was surprised. Usually it's like a bubble battle, but honestly, it went on really smooth and really quick. The instructions are clear. The glass lines up well with the iPhone SE or the 7 or 8 like I have here. 0.33 millimeters thick, which doesn't sound like much, but it does make a difference. It feels solid without being bulky. The screen clarity is still top tier. It doesn't affect touch sensitivity whatsoever. There's no lag, no weird dead zones on your screen, just smooth, normal use. This thing is tough. 9H hardness, ready to handle scratches, drops, and the occasional toss right into your bag up next against your keys. I will tell you that I accidentally dropped my phone one time on a rock, a pointy, sharp rock, and this screen was the only thing that shattered. It completely protected my phone screen inside, and that's the whole reason we put these protectors on, right? I guess my favorite thing about these protectors is they don't mess with the look of the phone. Anti-fingerprint finish. I'm not constantly wiping it down because it feels smudgy or dirty. Waterproof, dust resistant, and that helps the phone stay looking fresh. It just does its job and blends into the background, and I forget it's there, but I have the peace of mind knowing that I've protected my phone. Overall, I'm super impressed with these fantastic tempered glass screen protectors. It's simple, protective, hassle-free for install. If you're looking to keep your iPhone screen like new, this 4-pack is definitely a top pick for me and a family favorite at our house.